Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming essentials. Sign into your Google account and open your WordPress dashboard. Once done, decide domain versus URL prefix property. Domain covers subdomains and protocols. URL prefix is simpler for one variant. Make sure you can edit DNS records or install a plugin like Yoast/Rank Math. Now open Search Console and choose Add Property. Then pick the verification method you can complete right away so you don't stall the process. You'll now execute the verification. If using URL prefix, copy the HTML meta tag Search Console provides and paste it into a header insertion plugin or your theme's header. PHP, save and click Verify. For domain, log into your registrar, add the TXT record Search Console shows, and wait for DNS propagation, which can take minutes to hours. If Verify fails, recheck the exact string. DNS entries must match characters and not include extra quotes. Once verified, make sure you submit your sitemap from the Sitemaps section, typically /sitemap. XML or the URL your SEO plugin generates to let Google index faster. Monitor coverage and performance for initial data. If indexing or verification still fails, clear any caching plugin, resave permalinks, and retry verification. If using DNS, check TTL and propagation. If meta tag fails, ensure it's in the site head and not stripped by a security plugin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.